This is a short video on how to upload that template to your course. Like most things, it's easy once you know how to do it. And to start, you go to Files. You need to upload the template to your course. I'm just going to upload it to this default directory. So click on Upload, select the file, GSPC 120L. I've already got it in my course, so when you do it, you won't have to replace it or change the name. It'll just upload. So I want to actually upload it here because I've already got it here. Then you'll go to, once you've uploaded it, you will go to, you need to get to Modules Lesson 9. Once you're in Lesson 9, you'll go to After Gathering. Application Activity. Click on that to edit it. And that's what you're going to have to change the link to. So we need to edit this HTML instructions. And to change the link, it's very easy. Click onto the link anywhere. Go over to Files. And then click on the file that you uploaded, which is this activity template revised. And click on that, and it automatically turns that link into that file. And then you will save it. And just to make sure it worked, I'm going to click on that link, and it downloads the Word document. And when I enable the document editing, I can see, I hope that it's the one I changed here. Yes, it is. It's got the different instructions. And that's all that there is to doing that.